Hi mga katitumial, meron tayo isang mahiwagang tanong. Kaya ba ng isang doktor, gaya ni Doc Annalyn, operahan ang kanyang ina na sasalang para sa isang operasyon dahil may epidural hematoma? Base sa mga pag-aaral o mga survey, operating on a family member such as neurosurgeon, operating on their own mother raises significant ethical consideration. According to American Medical Association Code of Medical Ethics, physicians generally should not treat themselves or immediate family members. This recommendation is based on the concerns regarding professional objectivity and potential for personal feelings to unduly influence medical judgment. So in this case, the neurosurgeon, Doc Annalyn, operating on her own mother, that decision could indeed be influenced by emotional factors. The physician's personal connection to the patient may impact their ability to remain fully objective and make purely clinical decisions. Therefore, it is generally advised for the surgeon to have qualified colleague to another institution to perform such procedure. Ang ating pong mga sources ay ang American Medical Association's Code of Ethics in Treating their Family Members at Journal of Vascular Surgery. So yan, sana makonsider ito na abot kamay na pangarap kung sakaling sa susunod na episode kung sino mag-opera. Salamat!